Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing.
Don't get hip
Today we have something from the latest Supreme. No gifts, just a sticker, no gifts, too bad. From the latest Supreme drop, um, and to me this was something I have never seen anything like it. But apparently it's nothing new, it's not a new invention. This is what we call, or what they call, Supreme North Face collab trekking convertible backpack plus waist bag. So this is a waist bag that turns into a backpack, or a backpack that turns into a waist bag. And my whole, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but my thought was that you have it like a waist bag, and then when you're hot, you want to take off your sweater or jacket, whatever, you turn it into a backpack and put it in a backpack. So it's very lightweight, it's very thin, it's not at all like a standard backpack. But I'm gonna show you how it all works. So let me start with folding it together. We should need an instruction for this. So I'm guessing that you are unhooking the back straps. One on each side, of course. And I would maybe put them inside of the backpack. Let's just try to roll it together. So here's what I did. I unhooked the back straps. I'm just trying to roll it because this seems to be the right way to do it. And then we have a zipper somewhere. I'm guessing this is easier to do when you have something in the bottom part of the backpack. But this is not going to look as good as it did in the marketing pictures. And this is not something that I want to do like twice a day when I'm carrying this. It would be easier if, okay, so it got stuck in the zipper, it got stuck again in the zipper. What I want to say is that it would be a lot easier if there were two zippers that could meet. You get stuck all the time in the zipper, all the time. All right. So this is what it looks like as a normal backpack. We have a pocket in the front that is not deep, and we have the main pocket that is just a main pocket, nothing else, nothing at all. Let me see. Quite a large pocket it is, but no compartments on the inside. Zippers that can't be YKK. Yeah, it was. So this is what it looks like when it's small. We have a handle to hang it or to carry it. We have this large buckle and you can fold these in like this if you just want to carry it in the handle. Let me see. So something like this. Quite ugly. Yeah. So let me show you what it looks like on me. I forgot to turn on the camera, so I'm going to redo all this. So this is what it looks like when it's empty. And it's very thin overall. So if you are going to carry heavy stuff in it, I don't know, maybe school books or something, it's not going to be comfortable. So this is like a backup backpack or emergency backpack or something. So this is what it looks like empty. This whole part ended up going in reverse because I forgot to turn on the camera. I didn't show you the inside pocket, but the inside, the main big pocket is just empty, and then we have a front pocket, so like a standard backpack, and a sweater and a jacket, a light jacket, a summer jacket, autumn jacket, shouldn't be any problem. And could probably fit even better if you put it in nicely, but I don't do that. So yeah, this is the backpack filled, and if you are carrying it heavy, you can use this one like so. So super unsexy, really. Why did I buy this? And then when we fold it back together again, but now I'm getting the hang of it. Close the compartment, unhook the straps, and if you fold it instead of rolling it, it will look better. So I'm going to try to do that again. Fold, fold, and then fold everything inside, straps, etc., that, and everything that gets stuck in the zipper all the time. So this ain't something that you want to do in a rush outside. But they should really have put 2 zippers on that compartment. All right, so, and then you can wear it like this, which I hopefully never will do, because then I will never get laid again, ever. And the way we're all going to carry it, I was a bit worried that the strap wouldn't be long enough to carry crossbody, but it is. So I should maybe have got the green one instead. That would look better. But it's really big. It is. So if you're going to go hiking or something, I think it's a suitable backpack bum bag to have. But for daily wear, as me, I would fit all my things. I think even I can fit my crossbody bag inside it. But one big open compartment, that's not for me. And I don't know about the material, if it's waterproof or not. Should be, but it's very thin. It's very thin in every way. So yeah, I think I've showed you everything now. Convertible backpack. What are these straps for? I have no idea. What is this on the side for? Maybe to tighten it. Yeah, if you want it really tight against your body. I'm guessing if you do this thing called jogging, I've heard that is something people do, then you will probably want to have it as tight against your body as possible so it doesn't bounce. So a tracking backpack. Okay, so this is in the rear. I just thought it was going to go through. This is a compartment as well, but there is no zipper or anything, so I don't know what you want to put there. Maybe if you're traveling, use your passport that you're gonna take in and out all the time. It's kind of cool. I just wish it was red. If it was red, I would be happy with it. I would. But I'm gonna try it out for today. Yeah, I'm going to do that. You know what? I'm not the kind of person that walks around with a backpack. This is what I have at the moment as my daily. And this is what I'm going to have, what I have in my car all the time. So I don't even carry my crossbody bag. It's just laying in my bigger bag that is laying in my car. So a backpack for me, nah. So I probably just bought it just to do this unboxing video and show you how it works. So I hope you enjoy. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Put that heart thing in the bottom. Do whatever you want.